Happy Friday, Jim Hanson, Guild Mortgage, 916-730-4402. Hope you're having an awesome day. So, yesterday I did a lunch and learn for some referral partners. And if you happen to be watching this video and you were one of those, this is going to be like a recap for you. Anyway, we talked about renovation financing, aka 203K FHA, FHA 203K full or streamlined, Fannie Mae home style. These three options of mortgages are designed to help a buyer, a listing agent, or a buyer's agent open up some availability for some more inventory. So if you're a listing agent and you've got a property that maybe needs a new roof or needs something, you could feel comfortable that this mortgage could come in and help your seller sell a property. Or if you're a buyer's agent or even a buyer, then you have something to go after a property that's maybe on the market for a super long time due to its condition, etc., and be able to make this property that looks poopy, make it look good. Maybe you paint it, put a new roof on it, put siding on it, new appliances, new floors, new fixtures, fencing, those types of things. All those items can be financed in these mortgages one way or the other. So the idea is to manufacture some inventory for you, which would allow you to look at some properties that were not otherwise available in your search because you're looking for a house that's already done or already turnkey. So that's pretty much it. It's an idea. It's coming to the market. It might give you an opportunity to expand your search on properties that maybe have been on the market for a little bit longer and get your buyers to look at those, and they can have a new house just as much as the one that is already fixed up. Anyway, Jim Hanson, Guild Mortgage, 916-226-6866. That's my landline. Cell phone number 916-730-4402. And jimhanson.net on the web. Make it a great weekend. Thank you.